Today, with this smokeless fire pit, we are going to see if it will harm my corgis. No, I'm just kidding. I love them dearly. As a matter of fact, that's why I got the smokeless fire pit, so that it won't actually harm the deck, which I'm going to do a heat test in just a moment. But as you can see, the little small-legged dogs are perfectly safe with this thing. By the way, when you first start this up, you're going to have to start it off at a big, high heat. Otherwise, it's not actually going to burn the smoke, and there will be a lot of smoke. Now, for the heat test itself, as you can see, it's on a cedar deck, and I'm actually going to get my bare little hand and I'm going to put it right underneath. There are hot coals inside this thing right now, and yet it feels just fine on the outside. Well, okay, it's a little hot right there. Don't touch that ring right there. Woo. Matter of fact, there's a little burn mark right there.
Speaking of this ring, it's pretty sharp around the edge. I kind of nicked myself. As you can see, a small little cut on my pinky. So be careful putting wood in. You really don't want to leave your knuckle behind. Otherwise, that little razor sharp edge will get you. By the way, this is how you dump all the ashes and the coal out when you're all finished. Otherwise, I love this thing.